I'm the Director of Scholarships, Grants, and Youth Engagement at the National Italian American Foundation. I'm so proud to be here as a third-generation Italian American, and it's been a pleasure to be working for the foundation for the past 9 years. With that, we're here today for the NIAF Ambassador Peter F. Secchia Voyage of Discovery, which brings Italian American college students and recent graduates to Italy, many of them for their first time, to learn more about their heritage. This has been an experience of a lifetime also for me. As somebody who's traveled extensively through Italy, what I love the most about Trieste is how unique it is. The architecture is just something that I've never really seen before in Italy, and it has its own unique type of personality.
Incredibly grateful and honored to be here because Trieste represents such a beautiful and diverse coastal city. And unlike a lot of the major cities in Italy that get a lot of the attraction, these smaller towns and these really important places outside of these major areas gives a very good and beautiful insight to the true life of Italy.
I am from Ocean Township, New Jersey, United States of America. I also applied to the NIAF Voyage of Discovery, and I luckily got it because I get to be here. And I think what I love most about Trieste, besides the food, because the food's amazing, is probably how different all of the architecture is here and how you can see so many different cultural influences in just the way that people act and the way that people kind of go about on their day-to-day lives. The monuments, everything here has that kind of pop of the old and the new combined together, and I think that that's something that you can't really get anywhere else.
I'm from Kensington, Maryland. I am a quarter Sicilian, and I applied and got into the NIAF Voyage of Discovery, which is located in Friuli Venezia Giulia this year. I absolutely love Trieste. It's an Italian city that's small enough to be personable, and it feels like everyone here is authentic instead of super touristy. And I study architecture, and the architecture is absolutely stunning.
I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. I am a senior studying kinesiology and dance at the University of Alabama. It is so special to be in Friuli Venezia Giulia because my family's from here. I have loved seeing the scenery and being with all of the people, and I can't wait to continue on my journey here.
I'm a sophomore at Fordham University in New York City, and I'm very grateful to have been accepted to the Voyage of Discovery and have been volunteering with NIAF for the past 2 years now. And of course, my favorite part about Trieste is the mix of cultures, whereas I feel other cities are limited to that specific either northern or southern culture. I feel like in Trieste you have a mix of everything, and more importantly, and I can understand why now, that it's the perfect place for a NIAF Voyage of Discovery, and really is a place for everyone, everything, and inclusive more than anything.
I'm from Palo Alto, California, right next to Stanford University, and I applied also to the NIAF, National Italian American Foundation, Peter F. Secchia Voyage of Discovery program, and I study art history and European languages and transcultural studies at UCLA. And my favorite part about Trieste is how multicultural and heterogeneous it is with the architecture, art, people, languages, culture, cuisine, and everything.
Ciao, my name is Sophia. I work for the National Italian American Foundation, and I am the manager of digital marketing and outreach. And one of the best parts of my job is that I get to lead two groups of 25 students throughout Italy. And this year we're experiencing the beautiful region of Friuli Venezia Giulia, where we're right here now in Trieste, one of the most beautiful cities in Italy in my opinion. My favorite part about it is definitely the sea. It's refreshing and beautiful, and the sunsets over the sea are just unmatched. I love Trieste.